In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 3D printers of 2025 and revealing which one I believe is the best 3D printer overall. We'll go in descending order from number 5 all the way to my number 1 pick, so stick around to see which printer takes the top spot. If you're interested in pricing or want to learn more about each model, check out the links in the description. I've included direct links to all the 3D printers I'll be talking about. At number 5, Creality Ender 3 V3KE, Best Budget 3D Printer for Beginners. Kicking off our list is the Creality Ender 3 V3KE, an excellent entry-level 3D printer that offers remarkable speed and precision at an affordable price point. Print speed, up to 500 millimeters per second, capable of printing a benchy in just 15 minutes. Precision, X-axis linear rail with ball bearings reduces vibration and ensures smooth, accurate motion even at high speeds. Versatility, direct drive sprite extruder with a 60-watt ceramic heater handles materials like PLA, PETG, TPU, and high-temp filaments up to 300 degrees Celsius. Smart features includes auto bed leveling, Z-offset correction, and a 4.3-inch touchscreen for easy operation. Connectivity, built-in Wi-Fi with Creality Cloud app support for remote control and monitoring. With Clipper firmware, input shaping, and a flexible PEI build plate, this printer delivers exceptional print quality with minimal ghosting, making it a top pick for beginners and hobbyists. At number 4, FLS Super Racer, Best Delta 3D Printer for Speed. A high-speed Delta-style 3D printer known for its blazing fast performance. Speed, prints at up to 200 millimeters per second, about 3 times faster than standard 3D printers. Design, linear rails and a lightweight print head maximize speed and precision. Hot end and extruder, BMG dual-gear extruder and Volcano-style hot end support up to 260 degrees Celsius, ideal for PLA, PETG, and ABS. Features auto bed leveling, a 3.5-inch touchscreen, and a 32-bit motherboard with TMC2209 drivers for whisper-quiet operation. Its all-metal construction ensures stability at high speeds, though print tuning may be needed for best results, especially when pushing performance limits. If fast, reliable Delta printing is your goal, the Super Racer is a fantastic choice. At number 3, Creality CR-M4, Best Large Format 3D Printer. Taking the number 3 spot is the Creality CR-M4, a robust, large-volume 3D printer designed for ambitious projects. Build quality, dual Y-axis linear rails and a rigid triangular frame for rock-solid stability. Material compatibility, direct drive sprite extruder and Volcano hot end up to 300 degrees Celsius, compatible with PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, and Nylon. Advanced features, CR Touch Auto Leveling, a removable 4.3-inch touchscreen, and a PC spring steel bed for easy print removal. Cooling, 40-20 twin duct fan for excellent cooling and smooth overhangs up to 75 degrees. With power loss recovery, filament detection, and a powerful 800-watt PSU, the CR-M4 is a top-tier printer for large-scale projects and professional-grade results. At number 2, FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro, Best High-Speed 3D Printer. Our runner-up is the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro, a powerhouse designed for high-speed, professional-quality 3D printing. Performance, up to 600 millimeters per second print speed with 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration. Material range, direct drive extruder and quick swap nozzle system compatible with PLA, PETG, ABS, ASA, and carbon fiber composites. Enclosed design, dual air filtration reduces emissions and maintains consistent print quality. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB for flexible control and remote operation. The vibration compensation technology ensures excellent print quality even at high speeds. While TPU prints require slower speeds, the Adventurer 5M Pro remains one of the best high-speed 3D printers on the market. Finally, at number 1, we have the Prusa MK4, the gold standard in precision, reliability, and build quality. Build and design, rugged die-cast aluminum frame and 0.9-degree stepper motors eliminate vertical artifacts. Smart automation, The innovative extruder with a load cell sensor delivers perfect first layers automatically. Speed and quality, input shaper, and pressure advanced technologies reduce print time without sacrificing quality. Hot end and bed. All-metal hot end with quick swap nozzles, magnetic PEI bed, and wide material compatibility from PLA to nylon and polycarbonate. Connectivity, USB, LAN, and Wi-Fi, plus remote monitoring via Prusa Connect. With power panic recovery, overcurrent protection, and advanced cooling, the Prusa MK4 is the best 3D printer you can buy in 2025, whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional. And that wraps up my list of the top 5 3D printers of 2025. Each of these models offers unique strengths, from budget-friendly beginner options to professional high-speed machines. But the Prusa MK4 takes the crown as the best 3D printer overall. Don't forget to check the description and comments for pricing links and more details on each printer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.